Alright, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn something from the holy Kedushas Levi, or Levi Yitzchok, Mensur Sosha Miberditchev, Zechusi Yagaman Kol Solamein. This week's Parsha is Parshas Tazria Metzora. In Parshas Metzora, in the book of Leviticus, chapter 14, verse 34, it says, V'nasati negad saras b'veis eretz achuzaschem, that I will give the plague of leprosy in the house, in the land of your possession. Ein barashi shebesar tovim le'oitzu shitmina marmorim. So Rashi says that this is actually good news because the Amorites hid treasures in their homes, and so therefore, if there was a plague of leprosy on the homes, usually some kind of mildew, and the walls would be destroyed, they'd find the treasures. A cloud. The general idea is like this. The main joy is when a person lifts up the holy sparks to the worship of the blessed Creator. That when a person lifts up the sparks, then the inner aspect that is within the sparks there, that is what lifts it up. He throws out the exterior parts. And since he discards the exterior parts, from this there comes a plague on the house. Because the garbage that's inside the holy spark gets rotten. But since all the people had to be wiped out, according to Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 16, from those 7 nations, that means that the holy sparks could not have been in the people because they were so utterly corrupt. So therefore it was in the house. So Shapirish Rashi, this is what Rashi explains. That's good news because of the treasures that were hidden. That doesn't just mean the physical treasures, that means the holy sparks. That's the good news. The hint to joy, because the main joy comes from lifting up the holy sparks. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we hope to see you real soon. God bless. How do I turn this thing off?